Couple snow piles left, but not much. Spring is in the air. Morning, everybody. So we are hauling sawdust today. The road vans are coming on later today, and we need sawdust for the heifers. So we're gonna haul. Keith's hauling with this rig right here, and I'm gonna haul with a tractor and a 24-foot dump box. And we're gonna, I don't know, hopefully we can get 6 or 8 big loads of sawdust in here, so that we're good for the next 6 weeks. So I'm gonna go get the tractor and head out for a load. So this is our 24-foot Weber Lane trailer. We just got this last year, and we're gonna be hauling sawdust with it today. We're gonna use the 315. New Holland.
Seems like a solid one.
Okay.
All the way up, or is there a pin?
No, watch your fingers.
Spring loaded.
Okay. So these two, I don't remember how these went. We'll try these by themselves. Okay, now this lights. That tailgate I think is one of
Tailgate and conveyor on the same set.
trail. No, I think they both got to go either in the top or in the bottom. One is I think the one's for the brakes and the other one's for the tailgate. So we're just about down to this Amish sawmill where we're going to get this sawdust. There's another farmer, Dale, he's going to load them. He works with the Amish. I think he pretty much loads all the sawdust that goes out of here, because the Amish don't have any way to load it. So we just got to turn up here to the left, and it's not very far down the road here. I've never actually been down here to get loaded yet. Keith's been down here a few times. I was hoping to get 6 or 8 loads, but there's Keith. Back there. I need to back in there. Oh, I see. It's like a height dumper. Oh, there you go. That's pretty nifty. How that works. That's a really nice way to dump. I've heard about those buckets, but never used one. I like the way that works. So this is Keith. It's your debut on Echowood Holsteins. Hey, how you doing? He's been helping us a long time, and he usually drives this truck and does a lot of field work and helps us with a lot of other stuff too. So I like the way that bucket dumps. I really like that. He said I didn't know if I could film when I came up here, and the guy in the skid steer, he asked me if I would. So he said he wanted to see himself. Yeah. Actually a pretty busy place here today. I see neighbor across the rivers here getting a load of sawdust. Figured might as well let him go first. looking up in there, but there's a couple bundles of wood that's in the way, so I'm trying to sell it. Okay, we'll see how that looks. Is that close enough?
Yeah, that should work.
Okay.
A little crooked.
All right.
Back end, but I'll be able to.
I can straighten it out a little.
I should be able to get it.
Okay, you need to back up a little more?
That'll work.
Okay. So he's got it about half full. Pretty tall box. I'm probably gonna get a face full of it. I get. So we're just about loaded here. And I see Terry's back for another load, and I would think by the time I get loaded, Keith will be about coming back too. I'm gonna go out and ask him how many scoops he got on. How many did you put on?
Right around 36.
How many on that other truck?
Pretty much right the same.
Really? It holds that much, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
I might have lost track a little bit in the middle, but...
Okay. Well, if we don't get in trouble, we'll be back.
Okay,
So, go unload this and come back for another. Okay, we are back. Caesar's getting it pushed up in there. Get out and get a better camera angle so you guys can see how this box works. We bought it last fall. It's a dump box made by Weaver Lane out of Canada. Seems to work pretty good. Very fast unloading. I don't know, maybe the hydraulics won't be turned up quite where they should be. But when we were doing it with the corn last year, it was really quick. Okay, so we're heading out for the second load. First load went good, so hopefully we can get another one. So now we're out behind the sawmill. We're gonna try going in this way this time. Actually, I was really surprised that 22-foot trailer, dump trailer, he had the same amount of buckets in as he put on Keith with that 30-foot northern trailer. So this thing does have a pretty good capacity. Must be a little deeper and wider or something. I'll go talk to Keith for a minute. You coming back?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
What channel you on?
I didn't even turn it on yet. 22 or?
I got it on 22.
Okay, I'll do that.
I don't think you'll get it all on yours.
Okay. All right.
Does he want it all?
Yeah, he said clean it up. Well, I mean, if there's a half a load left, we wouldn't have to come back. But
Well, I guess, did you push it in on the last
Caesar's pushing them in.
Okay. Should I call you before I come back?
And I'll let you know how much is here?
Yeah.
That's fine. Yep. Okay.
All right.
Hey, Keith, he said he had 36 dumps on you and 36 on me, so that trailer holds about the same. Yeah. So we're heading out with our last load. Keith's on his way back. He'll get the very last one. We should be good for a good month or so. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for today. Keith's on his way back with the last load, so we will we're gonna go down to the shop and work this afternoon, get some stuff ready for spring work. I don't know if we'll work on the planter or clean the shop up, or we got to get going on something. So we'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day and take care.